Here are 25 Dollar Tree cleaning products worth buying in 2025. Let's go. First thing I did was head over to Dollar Tree to check out all of their cleaning products that are only $1.25.
You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution.
Alright y'all, I'm back with the cleaning products haul. I have 25 items. All of these are at the $1.25 price range. I didn't get anything in their premium section. So let's go ahead and get started with number one. This is the all-purpose cleaner. This is in the lemongrass and citrus scent, and it's plant-based. So I have heard that these, all of their products in this line are dupes for a really expensive cleaning brand, and I've tried the wipes and I really like those, so I wanted to get the all-purpose cleaner as well. Number two is this drain rooter. You can stick this in your drain, and when you pull it back out like a snake, it will collect all the hair and nasty stuff. I like to use these in our shower, and you would be surprised at how much stuff actually comes out of there. Number three is the Scrub Buddies nail guard sponges. I really like these. I have purchased these for years, and I like to use them when I'm washing dishes, or also if I need to clean up something off the floor, I will grab one of these, and I use these to scrub the actual sink when I'm done using it. So these are great to have on hand. They do have some that are a little bit thinner, and then the scouring portion of it, you get like a different color if you want different colors and stuff, but I always just get the basic one with the green and the yellow sponge on each side. Number four is one of my favorites, and if you did not know, the Awesome spray is actually a concentrate. So on the back it says for 10-to-1 use 10 cups of water to 1 cup of LA Totally Awesome, and then it will tell you all the other ones to use. So I actually used to use this. I thought it was just a cleaner, like not a concentrate, and it's super strong. It will take you out of the room. It's a concentrate like Fabulosa. It just comes in this spray bottle, so highly recommend this one, especially for cleaning bathrooms, or if you got anything on a wall that you need to get off that a more natural based cleaner isn't going to be strong enough for. This will do it. Number five is a dupe for the Pink Stuff Power Foaming Kitchen Cleaner. This one's by the brand Home Bright, and it is in the pink grapefruit scent, just like the Pink Stuff is, and it is an all-purpose cleaner. It says cuts tough grease and grime, stay where you spray, and it's plant-based, which is nice. I'm actually out of window cleaner, and I like Windex, so I grabbed this, which is the Sun Pine window cleaner. Streak free shine, looks just like Windex, and it's only $1.25, and this is a huge bottle. This is 40 ounces, much bigger than the Windex, but like, look, that's huge. Number seven is another one of my favorite brands from Dollar Tree. It's the Brillo Basics brands, and this is the Oxy Blast Stain Remover. So this is a dupe for Oxy powder, and it's only $1.25. It says 5 times action, color safe cleaning for carpet, laundry, bathroom, and kitchen. Number 8 is also by the Home Bright brand. This is the Lime and Calcium Remover. It's plant-based, it is phthalate free and dye free, and it's in the lemongrass scent, and this one says it removes tough stains and buildup. Number 9 is from that same line of Home Bright. It's a fruit and vegetable wash. It removes the chemicals, soil, and wax from your produce, and it is also plant-based, phthalate free, and dye free. I'm probably pronouncing the first one wrong, but obviously I'm going to use this to wash all of our fruits and veggies. Number 10 is a dupe again for the Pink Stuff. This one is their dupe for the toilet bowl cleaner. So it's a power clinging toilet bowl cleaner gel, and it's in the pink grapefruit scent, plant-based again, bleach free, deodorizes, removes lime and rust stains. Number 11 is one of my favorite brands from Dollar Tree. It is the Brillo Basics once again. This one is the Brillo Basics dish spray. It's dishwashing sub spray, 3 times action, dissolves stuck on grease and grime, and it's quick and easy. So these are dupes for the Dawn Power Wash, and they work so well. I've already went through one of them and I grabbed 2 more just so I know I have enough on hand. Number 12 is toilet bowl cleaner packs. These are clean, fresh scent. Fights hard water and mineral deposits, soil and stains. There's 10 in here. It's $1.25, and I'm just going to drop these in our toilet to keep it clean. Number 13 is furniture polish. It cleans, restores, and conditions wood, and it is a lemon scent. So I believe this is a dupe for Pledge. Number 14 are these Scrub Buddies 2-in-1 quick eraser. They're a dual purpose cleaner, so it's a sponge on one side and then an eraser on the other side, and you get a pack of 2. These are 5 inches by 3 by 1. I also grabbed a name brand item from Dollar Tree, and this is the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, the original multi-purpose cleaner. Number 16 is a dupe for the Pink Stuff paste. I love using the Pink Stuff paste on my sink, but I've also heard people use it on their glass shower doors, and it works really well if you compare it with like a sponge like this. Now I'm showing y'all what's coming up, but this is the multi-purpose cleaning paste. It's for kitchen, bathrooms, laundry rooms, indoors and outdoors. No more tough stains, and it looks just like the Pink Stuff on the inside. Number 17 is also from Scrub Buddies. This is an all-purpose scrubber, but I picked this up because it has the handle right here, so it's good for cups. But what I like using these for is drains, because they almost fit perfectly in the drain, and then you can just go like that and get it cleaned up and then run some water to rinse the drain. Number 18 is also from Scrub Buddies. These are the 8-pack of scouring pads. I love using these because they're basically a one-time use. If you paint or anything like that in your house and you get paint on the floor or fingernail polish or whatever it is, these are great to get them off, and comes in a pack of 8, so you get a lot. Number 19 is Tried and True. This is Fabulosa Original Multi-Purpose Cleaner. So you can use this as a cleaner, but what I like to use this for is for the mop. It's also a concentrate, so you use hardly any of what comes in the bottle and then just fill the rest up with water. They also have a ton of different scents. Number 20 is also from Brillo Basics, and these are their wool soap pads, and they are the pink ones. I love using these on dishes. Also, if you're wanting to take the stove eyes off of your stove and clean up that area, these are perfect for that. It literally takes 2 seconds. They're fabulous. You can also use these to clean your sink. If you have like a stainless steel sink in the kitchen, these work wonders for that. Number 21 is along the same lines of the Brillo Basic pads. These are just the green ones, but these are from Scrub Buddies, and they are soap pads. You get 10 in this box for $1.25, and you get 8 in the Brillo Basics box, because so you are getting a better deal with this one. They basically do the same exact thing. This one has pink soap on it, and I believe this one has blue soap on it. Number 22 is a dupe for the Dawn sponge scrubbers. So here they are. These are the Scrub Buddies. You get a pack of 2, and they are multi-purpose scrub sponges. They look just like the Dawn ones with the blue. And I've tried the Dawn ones. I've tried these. Both of them work great. So $1.25, and I'm pretty sure the Dawn ones are about $3. Number 23 is the Oxidol Mold and Mildew Stain Remover. This is new. This is the first time I've seen this at Dollar Tree, so definitely worth giving it a shot. 24 is a dupe again for the Pink Stuff, and this is the dupe for their all-purpose cleaner. So this one is the Solutions All-Purpose Cleaner Pink Formula, streak-free and sparkling clean. It is vegan, and it does not say what the scent is, but I'm going to assume that it's also the pink grapefruit. Number 25 is a roll of paper towels. Gotta have them, gotta love them. We always use them around here. And a bonus, if you live in a home that has moisture, grab you some of these moisture eliminators. So I know this isn't really a cleaning product, but it will help keep your house clean and mildew and mold free. So I am going to put one of these in our bathroom that's next to our laundry area, and then I may even put one in the laundry area, because those are the two areas in our house that seem to have the most moisture problems. But these are great for your closets. I would think basements, anywhere where you feel like there's going to be some moisture in there, go ahead and throw one of these in there. All you have to do is take the aluminum foil off of the top and then close the lid back. All of these beads are going to be absorbed, and then all of this well down here is going to collect all of the water. So they trap excess moisture, eliminate tough odor, and prevent water damage. All right, y'all, that is it. That is our top 25 cleaning products from Dollar Tree, plus a bonus one. So 26 products for 2025, worth buying. But if you want to see me try out all of these products, stay tuned for part 2 of this video. It will come out tomorrow. So if you are new here, subscribe, share this video with a friend that loves Dollar Tree cleaning products, and like this video if you liked it. I will see y'all back here tomorrow for part 2. Bye!
I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution.